Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing you what is in this Elizabeth Mott box of goodies, and I'm going to be doing a little tutorial, so if you are interested, then make sure you keep watching. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Queen of the Fill brow product from Elizabeth Mott. There are 4 grams of product in this little tube. This is a tinted brow gel. So I really like the Queen of the Fill brow gel. It's super lightweight and it creates really full brows. You can build it up and make them very bushy or make them lightweight. And this formula is water and sweat resistant, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Right there, that is what the applicator looks like for the Queen of the Fill eyebrow gel. This brow product retails for $20 on their website. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to work on eyeshadow. So first I'm going to start with eyeshadow primer. Elizabeth Mott has the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer with 10 grams of product. This is the packaging. The Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer is a lightweight formula that prevents creasing. It enhances your eyeshadow color and it helps to combat oiliness. This product retails for $20, and like I said, there is 10 grams of product in here, and it works really well. I'm going to take just a little bit on my finger. I'm going to pop on some eyeshadow liners. So now I have 4 of the Elizabeth Mott eyeshadow. Pop goes the shadows. I have Gunmetal, Toasted, Goldie, and Mermaid Teal. These shadows retail for $13. There is 2 grams of product in each pan, and these are really nice because they slide on and they're really buildable colors. I just love the packaging. It's super simple but very cute. Right there. This one is Toasted. This shadow is Goldie. This shadow is Mermaid Teal. And this shadow is Gunmetal. The first step on my eyes is I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott All Over Shadow Brush and the shade Toasted. And I'm going to apply it right above my crease and right below my brow. What I'm doing is I'm doing what I call rounding out the socket. I don't know what the technical term for this is, but pretty much I am just making my eye a little more rounded and kind of making the crease look like it's a little higher. I'm going to take Toasted again and just apply a little bit more so that looks like a nice brown shade up above the crease. Now I'm going to take this gray shade, which is called Gunmetal, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to grab my favorite shade, I think, in this collection, which is the Mermaid Teal shade right here. I love a beautiful blue, and this is so shimmery and pretty. And I'm just going to apply it at the very, very front of the lid. And I'm going to kind of, not heavily blend it, but I'm just going to lightly tap it into the Gunmetal shade. Now I'm just going to grab the tiniest bit of this shade, Goldie, on a small little brush, and I'm going to pop it on the inner corner. Right here, this is the You're So Fine black liner. This retails for $23, and there is 2.3 grams of product in this. It is a waterproof liquid liner. This is the applicator. I'm not a huge fan of liquid eyeliners, but I'm just going to apply a thin line right here to my lash line. Line 1 done, and it's actually, dare I say, easier than usual. I think I do. Okay, so liner is done. Now I'm using the It's So Long mascara, which has a C-curve silicone brush to create long lashes. And it also has claims of no flaking, so I can't wait to try this one out. This is my first time actually trying this mascara by them. There is 8 milliliters of product in here, and this is the packaging. This is the C-curve silicone brush. It just has a slight C-curve to really make sure that all your lashes get coated and picked up. So eyes are done. Now it's on to face. I'm gonna be using the Thank Me Later primer. This is a face primer that balances and brightens your skin. Also, it helps smooth and enhance your makeup, and it's hydrating and non-greasy. So it's something that I really enjoy. I've been using this on all my makeup looks recently, and this is the Illuminating Face Primer. It has an adorable packaging. I'm just gonna put a little bit in key areas, and then I'm going to rub it in as if it was moisturizer. Now that my face is done, I'm gonna be using the Elizabeth Mott Contour Palette. There are 3 shades for highlighting, 3 shades for contour. It's easy to use because it's all in one, and it has this really, really cute packaging. This is the front, and there you go. There are the 3 highlights and then the 3 shades for contour. The contour palette retails for $35. I'm gonna take this shade right here in the middle, and I'm gonna apply it to the contours of my cheeks. So I'm gonna brighten under my eyes using this shade right here. Now I'm gonna grab my What Up Beaches Luminizing Bronzer, and I'm just gonna kind of hit that same area lightly. You can't have a full face of makeup without some blush, so now I'm gonna use the Show Me Your Cheeks blush. I have soft pink and bright coral. I'm gonna try out soft pink today. There is 5 grams of product in here. This is the packaging, super cute. And right there, there is soft pink. It's really pretty because it's almost like a highlight. It has like nice glitter flakes underneath, and it's just a very pretty light color. I'm gonna pick it up on this brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. Also recently with blush, I've been hitting my nose lightly with it and my lips, just slightly. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Elizabeth Mott Set for Life. This is the loose setting powder in translucent. I love this stuff. This comes with 15 grams of product. It helps with fine lines, and it has minimal flashback. Once you're done with baking, you're gonna use the Show Me Your Glow Shimmer Shadow and Highlighter. This is again from Elizabeth Mott. This is the packaging. There is 10 grams of product in this pan. And I love how most of Elizabeth Mott products are compact and portable. It makes it really convenient for if you're like a makeup artist, or if you have clients that would like you to come to their house and do their makeup, stuff like that. It makes it really easy. Also, if you just like to freshen up your makeup throughout the day and you want to carry something portable, this is super easy to carry in a purse or even like a light clutch. It doesn't have to be that big. This highlighter is so pretty. I'm gonna pop a little bit on the inner corner just to freshen that up. And last but not least, I'm gonna be using the Color is Bae liquid lipstick in the shade Nudist. Right here, this is the packaging. Right there, that is what the color is supposed to look like, a very nice, pretty light pink nude. This product retails for $20. And there you go. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and seeing what I got from Elizabeth Mott and watching this full tutorial. Thank you again for tuning in. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys later. Bye!